To wire wrap a briolette, you're gonna take about 1.5 to 2 inches of wire and string your bead on there. You're gonna wanna leave one end a little bit longer than the other. You're going to bend the longer end up right alongside of that bead. And then I'm going to take my pliers and I'm gonna bend that up right at the point of the bead. Then I'm going to bend the other side of the wire up so that they crisscross at the top. Then I'm going to take this one and I'm going to wrap it around and coil it a few times. And then I'm going to cut off the excess wire. Then I'm going to take my pliers and I'm going to put it right up against that coil, and I'm going to bend it away from me at a 90-degree angle. So it's like that. Then you're going to want to come in and put your pliers right at the top and loop it around so that it makes a nice little loop. And then you're going to want to hold it at the top and coil your wire back around until it meets with the one below. And then you can snap off the excess wire. And that's how to wire wrap a briolette. Thanks.